Hey everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to customize your Wix website step by step. So first of all, you're going to be clicking on create new site. So if you are not logged into the site yet, you can do that for free. Click on this create a new site, then you get an option to select from a set of templates, so you can get a head start using those set of templates. You can see we got this AI chat feature now, so we are going to be simply setting this up without the chat feature. So if you want to use it, you can do that. You can see we have, let's just say I want to set an online store. Click online store and click on continue. So basically now it is organizing things according to our demands and our dashboard is being prepared. So just wait for a couple of seconds and you will be able to see that our site is now editable. You can see we have our custom domains and everything. So let's just name our store Infuse Tech, and I'm gonna be clicking on continue. You can skip this method or this procedure as well, so I'm gonna be skipping this. And for products, we do not have that time for that yet, so I'm going to be skipping that as well. Now let's just dive right to our dashboard. So now our dashboard is being prepared and you will be able to see that this is basically our set of domains and all that, but I'm going to be heading over to design site section and just click on that and we will be directed towards there. So let's just pick a template like I was telling you already. And yeah, so this one looks pretty decent. I'm going to be clicking on edit. So this is going to be a step-by-step process on how you can edit your site, and you will be able to see that we are now onto our site builder section, and here is the main magic, the editing section where you can modify everything. So just hold on a bit so you can dive onto the dashboard and you will be able to see that we are now going to be simply our pages are basically loading, so it is going to be taking a while. So meanwhile it is preparing, you can set up your products and everything. As you can see, this is the template from which we are going to be building our site, and this look actually really nice. You can see we can add our some details about your site as well, and we can generate site data or site text using this option. So let's just cross this a bit. So to add elements, you can see we have various options for elements, sections, page and menus, site designs, and various of the stuff that we can incorporate onto our site. Let's just say I want to change this particular text, so you can simply click on it and you will be able to see that we have this text box going on. And let's just change it to find latest tech, sorry about that, gadgets here. Okay, so let's just quickly fix that. So you got the point, right? Now you can modify your images as well by using your cover images. You can see we got the options. You can also move stuff here and there. If you want to move this a bit down, you can do that. And yeah, so basically that's how you can build your first website. If you want to learn more, you can subscribe to our channel.